Okay, so here capital H value we have calculated already from the table. Capital H equal to 17.64. So substitute that value here. 17.64 is capital HF. This whole term I'm just keeping in a bracket. Nothing but 2G into DHF. Right? So divided by 4 into what is the L value? 100 centimeter. Right. So V value we have calculated already from the tabular column. V value 240.36. 240.36 square. Okay, so only for the V term, this square. Then you will get your answer. F value equal to, please calculate this.
1.872 into 10 power minus
1.87 into 10 power
10 power minus 5.
10 power minus
5.
Minus 5, sir.
minus, tell properly, not able.
10 to the power of minus
10 power minus 5, sir.
Minus 4.
5.
సార్ ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ చేంజ్ చేయాలా సార్ 9.81 into 100
yes ఇక్కడ 100 you need to keep it in 100. 9.81 is in meters, so into 100 you need to keep here G. Now check your answer. To 10 power
1.87 into 10 power minus 3.
Minus 3, yes. Okay, 10 power minus 3, I think it is right. Okay. So 1.87 into 10 power minus 3 is your F value. F equal to 1.87 into 10 power minus 3. So this value now you copy in your table. 1.87 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. 1.87 into 10 power minus 3. So similarly, I'll give the readings here, H1, H2, and these 4 readings I'll give for this pipe. You need to calculate for the remaining values. I'll ask randomly some students. Everybody should calculate this. Okay. So shall I show the calculation part once? Yeah. Those are not copied, please copy this. Friction factor F equal to. Remember always this G value you need to keep into 100 because G always you're taking 9.81 meter per second square. That meter you are calculating in terms of centimeter, converting in terms of centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So that's why we are getting 100 into here. Remember that. Otherwise you write here G equal to 9.81. Since G equal to 9.81 into 100 centimeter per second square. Okay, so finally you'll get one number without any units. This is friction factor. F equal to 1.87 into 10 power minus 3. Right. Now I'm giving the second reading values. 16, 12.3. 17, 11.5. Always H will be 10, time taken. Sorry, height of the fluid, height of the water in the collecting tank. Next time taken is 14.94, 12.63. Right. So now calculate these remaining terms. Formulas are here. You can use them. So this is V, nothing but V actual.
Sir, once calculations చూపియారా sir?
This one?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes.
Okay sir. Sir, first one F value of 1.49 వస్తుంది సార్ నాకు.
Check it properly. Others, I think you got the same answer here. Check the first reading whether it is correct or not. 1.87. Anil Kumar.
Sir,
Yes. Check this answer. Is it correct? 1.87 into 10 power minus 3.
yes sir. Once I will do again.
Check it once.
Sir,
Yes, tell.
it's wrong, sir. 1.49 into 10 to the power of minus 3.
1.49.
Yes sir. 1.49.
Yes sir.
Okay. Others can check once whether it is correct or not. I am writing 1.49 now. Because I don't have this calculation with me. Please check it once.
Sir, getting 1.87 only, sir.
1.87 only, sir.
By two answers.
1.87 into 10 power minus 3.
Okay.
Yes sir. Yes sir. 1.87 sir. I forgot an D value sir for substituting.
Okay, right. So 1.87 into 10 power minus 3 is the correct one. Check it properly, others. Three 306 20 H55 306. Yes. Right. Go for the second calculation now. So 16 minus 12.3 is 3.7. Next, calculate H value. So H 314, 20 H55 314. Suman.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have calculated this HF value.
Yes, sir.
Tell the value.
46.64.
46.64.
Yes, 62, sir.
62. Okay. Right. Others, you can check whether it is correct or not.
Yes sir. Correct sir.
Right. Okay. Right. Next now. Yes, mute yourself. Next, Harshavardhan 327. $327. 20 H55 320.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell Q actual value for the second reading. Have you calculated this value?
Yes, sir. One.
Okay, do it. Do and tell.
418.34, sir.
418.34. Yes. Okay, mute yourself, Harsha.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yes. Anybody with different answer here?
No sir. Same answer.
Right, good. Next. 382, Sai Teja. 382, 19H51, A0, 382, Sai Teja. Pranav, 321. 18H51, 321.
Sir,
Tell the V actual value.
340.49.
340.49. Okay. Anybody with different answer here? $340.49. Is it right?
340.94, sir.
94. Then why is telling reversely? Now check your answer. Is it 94 or 49?
It's a 94 only, sir.
94. Confused, huh? Okay. Next. Satya, 393. $393. 303. Shirisha. Tell the answer. Last value, F value. Yes. Not audible, madam. Three. Not audible. Just message the answer. In chat box, you can message. Shirisha. $334.42. What value you are telling? I'm asking F value. Already here we finished, no, 340.94. 334.42. It's wrong. Check your answer, Miss Sirisha. Okay, I'll ask F value to others. CH Pritam, 3B8. 18H51, 3B8, CH Pritam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell the F value for the second reading.
Yes, sir.
Whether you have calculated, Pritam?
I'm doing, sir. 1 second.
Doing, okay, right. Take time.
Sir, 2.85 into 10 to the power of minus 3.
Point 85. 10 power. $2.85. Check the answer, others. Is it correct? 2.85.
I got 2.45, sir.
2.45, sir.
Yes, sir. 4.5 correct.
4.5 is correct. Okay. So 2.45. Okay. Right, others, please calculate the values. If you have not calculated, you can copy from here. Try to calculate, because in final exam, if you're coming here, you need to calculate all the things. Experiment also you should do. Okay. So we'll get only these readings. You need to calculate all these things. Right. Next, go for the third one. third reading. Start doing it. 5 minutes time. I will wait and I will ask randomly. Okay, I will be back. Just calculate it. $92 Rakesh. 392. Rakesh. Rakesh, I am giving you absent today. Okay. No response from Rakesh. Right, others? What is the X value? Is that?
So 5.5.
5.5. Right. Next, I will ask to somebody. HF value. $377. Who is this? No name here. 19H51A0377.
Sir,
What's your name?
Karthik.
Karthik. Why you have not given your name like this? Okay. Okay. Please edit it and tell the value of H here. Karthik, 377. Tell the H value, Karthik.
You
You're calculating. Okay, do it. Now only you are starting. After I'm asking you, you are starting to calculate. Huh? 5 minutes time I have given also already. Karthik, are you there? Tell the answer.
Sir,
How much time you need to do that? 5.5 into 12.6. Yes, others, you can tell the answer 60.
69.3, sir.
9.3. Okay. Next, calculate Q actual value. Here A is the cross sectional area, already you know. Okay, I'll ask
494.85.
Sachin, you answered 4.
494.85.
494.85.
Okay. Next, V actual, Anvesh 361. 361 Anvesh. Next, Avinash 364. Avinash. If you're not replying, what I should think? You're absent to the class or what you're doing? Sleeping.
Sir?
Avinash, are you sleeping?
No, sir. No, sir.
Eating?
No, sir. Just I got call from another person.
Okay. Well, 2 works you are doing at once, sir. Learning as well as
No, sir.
call.
There is no one in the home, sir.
Okay, Avinash. Whether you have calculated this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, tell that value.
403.3.
403.3. Any other term is there? 1 more 2 after 3?
303, sir.
303. After point, at least we need to take 3 values or 2 values. Okay. Right. Next, last F value for the first diameter. I will ask, wait, don't tell answer. Ravikant 379. 379 Ravikant. $92 Rakesh. Already I called him, no? Rakesh. Pradeep 5305. 20H55 305 Pradeep. $306. Person with no name. 306. Simply joining and sitting. Okay. 5 and 6. Next 307 Pawan.
Sir. No, sir.
Is this Pawan? Huh? Okay, Pawan. Tell the answer. F value. Whether you calculated or you are asking your friends to help.
Calculating, sir.
I know most of them, their friends are helping them.
Sir, 2.61 into 10 to the power of minus 3.
2.61
into 10 to the power of minus 3.
10 power minus 3. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
into 10 power minus 3. Just check your table or column whether everybody got the same answers or not. So now
Yes,
we
sir.
have, right, okay. Now we have calculated the 3 readings of your first diameter, but first pipe only we have taken. So similarly, we are going to calculate for the second pipe, 1 more pipe, not the third one. Only 2 pipes we are calculating. And now you can take the average of this F value. So that you can write it below somewhere, average value, what you are getting, check it. Yes, how much average value you got here? It's 3 points.
2.31 into 10 to the minus 3.
Yes, yes. Any one of you tell. 2.31. Okay.
Into 10 to the power minus 3.
Right. So similarly, this is the thing which are calculated from your tabular column. Friction factor, where we got it from the table. Similarly, we need to draw a graph for this. Okay. So graph we need to plot. I'm not showing anything here. You need to plot the graph by taking HF on y-axis. Write down somewhere for graph. V square, V actual square. We have found it now already. These values is on x-axis as square, because you see here F is the term related to HF and V square. These two only will change. D, L all are constant. So this shows the F value. What is that? HF and V square. So V values already we have here, and HF values also we have here. So we need to use these two to plot the graph. Okay, that thing you need to do. I'm not telling here. So friction factor from this as x-axis, V square, HF on y-axis. Draw the graph, then find the value of this F value, friction factor. Okay, if you know, you do. Otherwise, I'll show later. Graph. I didn't plot the graph, so I'm not showing here. Last class, I think I have shown for the other thing. Same way you have to do. Right. So first readings we have calculated for the diameter of this. So after finishing that, what you do in the same table, I said you to increase the number of lines there. So what you do after the first three, again you draw one line here and now keep diameter D equal to 1.875 centimeter for the second pipe. 1.875 centimeter. And again, we need 3 readings of this. Okay. For 2 pipes, we are calculating. So in result also, that's why I kept here. For the first pipe with the diameter 1.25, the friction factor value is this one from the calculation from the graph. Next, similarly, we need to write for the second one. Next, pipe with .875 centimeter. For this, again, we need to calculate the okay. So this will be our result. Now calculate for the second pipe. So pipe diameter, I'm giving you 1.875 centimeter. Now take the first reading. 15, 13.9, 10 centimeters rise. Time taken is 15.97 seconds. Right? Please calculate these values. Please join immediately after this session ends. Yes, 5 minutes. I'll stop it. You need to calculate this. I'll ask. What you'll get here? Next, for the second table.
Sir, 3.8, sir. 3.8, sir. Third one. X value.
Okay. Three 12. Shoaib Ahmad.
Sir.
अभी ज्वाइन हुए?
Yes, sir.
क्या कर रहे थे अब तक?
नहीं सर, पहले ज्वाइन हुआ था मैं स्टार्टिंग में।
नहीं था, अभी देखा मैं, जब से देखता ही बैठा मैं।
130 को था सर।
कहीं को चले गए फिर से? What is the problem?
Connection problem.
Connection problem. Simple reason you'll tell connection problem. Okay, don't do like that. Please, these are the classes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Solve the values. I'll ask you now. $318 also joined now only. Swarnasri. $318. Right. First rating. 308 nursing.
Sir.
Nursing. Yes,
Yes,
tell
sir.
the value. First one. HF equal to
H 13.86, sir.
good. Okay. 13.86. Okay, nursing. Next, I'll ask the next value. Next one. Pranay, 373. 373.
Yes, sir.
Q actual value you tell, Pranay.
Yes, sir.
What happened, Pranay? How much time you need for this? 10 into 625 by 15.97.
1 second, sir.
6,250 divided by 15.97. Small calculation. This much time you're taking. No calci with you? Yes, Sumant, you tell the value. 393. D Sumant. 18H51A0 393. D Sumant. Please tell the value of Q actual.
Sir.
This value you tell Q actual.
Sir.
Now you are calculating after I'm asking. Now you are calculating. What you are doing up to now?
Sir. 1.729, sir.
Anyone speak? Pranay, you speak first.
1.7289.
Which one you are telling?
Q actual, sir.
Q actual?
1.7289.
What?
1.7289, sir.
7289.
Yes, sir.
Not audible properly, Pranay. Send the message. $1.728929. I think it is wrong. Please check the value. Q actual. Shashi, tell the value. Q actual.
1.728.
How much?
Sir, 391.35, sir.
Anil.
391.35.
Why others
sir.
telling different answers?
How much, sir? Sir, H value is 13.86 into 25 by.
Yes, sir. 391.35.
Okay. Check properly, calculate slowly. Why small calculations you are doing mistakes? Okay, next V actual, Q actual by A. A here we will change. Remember, small a for diameter. Since the diameter is changed, area value will be changed here. First find that area, small a equal to pi by 4 into 1.875 centimeter square. You do that first. Find the small a value first. For the second reading, find the small a value first. A value you find first. Yes, small a, how much?
So 2.76.
2.76 centimeter square. Okay. Now calculate V actual. After finding this small a value, you need to find this. Don't use the area value for the last one with that diameter. That is wrong. Here you need to change the diameter of the pipe. We have changed the pipe only. So diameter area also changes here. So do that. How much? 2.54.
2.76.
2.76. Okay.
7611. Yes, sir.
2.76 centimeter square. You got that area. Now calculate V actual. That is 391.37 divided by 2.76.
141.7.
141.7.
141.7.
141.